flexible seat arrangement to indulge your needs by simply lifting the third row into the side and push the second row to the back of the car for a spacious cabin. A simple touch on the side button of the power back door helps you to adjust the opening angle even if there's obstacles around. A swipe below can easily slide the door open with a kick sensor on the dual power sliding door when your hands are preoccupied. The greater comfort heightened with super long sliding seat to expand the leisure on your journey. Altogether, enclosed with Toyota privileges including complimentary periodic maintenance ensures the wellness of your car. Escalate the indulgence of your journey with all new Toyota Voxy. Pleasant voyage.